This is also 10 volts. If you want this normal one,
Yeah. And that one doesn't come in black.
this one is 240.
Okay.
So if you want normal one, it's like $20.
Can you find me one of the normal ones? That's
C to C, right?
yeah, but black. Hopefully,
You want
C to
C?
C. Yeah.
Yeah, you want C to
This
C.
is a
Have it in black.
self wrapping charge cable, and it is magnetic.
The cable all around the cable.
Right.
So if you want to be straight, it's like this. If you want to wrap it together, it will be like this. It will. This is 1.5 meter. It can be like this. This is circle like this. If you want a smaller, maybe it can be make it
Wow,
smaller.
how neat.
Yes.
All right, so when my kids hand me a cord like this, show me how quick you can tie that back up. That's how I get my charge
Yeah, yeah.
my kids.
That cable.
Okay.
It can make it like this.
All right, as quick as that. All right, 10 seconds. Thank you.
5 or 10 seconds. Yeah.
Thank you.
And the reason it does that is because you must have like alternating magnets around the corner, or how does it?
Take a look at this picture here. It's all around the cable with the magnets.
Ah,
That's a great idea.
Thank you.
Do you have a distributor already in Germany?
I don't have.